Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant. And here is the update about ADA. What's going on with Cardano? Here is the update. Today, 24 hours, 1.39% in the plus. In the week, 2.58% in the plus. And you can see here on a 7-day chart here, ADA is going up a little bit, and that's very nice for the moment. Place number 5. And this is the quick overview of Tradingview. What's going on here with Cardano? You can see it on the daily chart. We have a buy and a strong buy. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a strong buy, and a buy. On the 1 hour, also a buy, a strong buy, and a strong buy. And in 50 minutes, we have a buy and a strong buy. So here is everything telling us buy that Cardano. Why you don't buy Cardano? Let's check this now. Here is ADA. Here is ADA with some nice lines here, and you can see here is the daily chart, and this was the green big uptrend. Very nice for ADA, for Cardano, but we broke down of this uptrend, spiked in again, broke down of it again. Now it's going sideways since days here for Cardano. A little bit up, a little bit down, and a little bit up. We have to watch some important things here, and this is our Fibonacci here. On the right side, you can see this one, and very important, we are momently, I'm zooming up a little bit, fighting under the 50% Fibonacci, fighting over the 38.2 Fibonacci. That means we have a price momently about $1.21, and you can see we are fighting between $1.17 and $1.23. That's the big thing about the Fibonacci. We have a MACD on the downside, and this MACD is a bearish thing momently. Why it is bearish? The blue line is under the brown line since long time. Since 3rd March here, we have a bearish MACD, and that's a really bad thing here for ADA momently. We need a crossing, we need a blue line over the brown line for more upgoing power here momently. We don't have it. So the next thing is we are checking now the EMA ribbon band, and the EMA ribbon band is a green support band, and it is holding here since this whole pump from ADA. Very nice. You can see it. We are here in a good zone, and we are holding this support with the ribbon band, and we are over this ribbon band. That's the good thing. What's going on with the MA21? And yes, the MA21 is also a good thing here. We have it as a resistance. We have a confirmed closing candle. We are spiked over this, confirmed it, retested it, and now everything is ready to go to the upside. We can start this rocket now, in my opinion. We have to wait what's going on. So let's go deeper. No, sorry, before we check it, let's check also the RSI. What's going on with the RSI, the Relative Strength Index? And we will check this now here. RSI is in the middle, momently at 54 points. We are not overbought, we are not oversold, everything is okay. RSI is going down here. We can draw a line here also from the highest point here to the downside like this here. And this is very important in my opinion now, guys. Look at this. We must break this RSI to the upside. If we break it to the upside, it would be a bullish thing in my opinion here on the daily chart for ADA. This is a very interesting thing. We have to watch this, guys. Okay, so the next thing is what's going on the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart also is here bullish. Yes, we are in the red downtrend. Yes, I know. Yes, we are between 38 and 50% Fibonacci. I know, but you can see we have this MA21 here as a good support. That's very nice here. Let me check another thing, the EMA ribbon, and you can see we had a short here with the ribbon, a red ribbon. We spiked over the ribbon, and now we are over this ribbon. We have a new long position here, and this is a nice thing. The ribbon band is now our friend. It's a support line here. So okay, let me check the next stuff here. This is in my opinion very important because this is the Elliott wave theory. What's going on with the Elliott wave? In my opinion, we saw here the highest point, then we saw a ABC correction to the downside, and then we saw here, let me check this, a 1 2 3 4 5 upgoing Elliott wave on the daily chart. That means now we have a 3 wave up down going Elliott wave ABC correction from the highest point to the lowest point to the next highest point, and that is now very interesting. I think this wave C was this point. We have now finished, in my opinion, this correction here, and we start a new Elliott wave. And the new Elliott wave is starting here with this point here. Let me check it. No, that's the right, sorry. We're starting it with here to 0.1. Maybe we are now here on 0.2. We should see now, guys, a 0.3. This should be higher as 0.1. A 0.4 here, maybe like this here, and a 0.5. This would be very nice, and I know this is magic glass reading by BITI, but guys, remember always the Elliott waves, they have some reason here. A lot of traders are watching at this, and in my opinion, they are not unimportant. Maybe it's possible to see now an upgoing Cardano to 7.8, 7.8 Fibonacci line. Why not to reach $1.38? It's possible. It's not impossible. So the next thing is, let's check the 1 hour chart. What's going on here in the 1 hour chart? Let's zoom out a little bit. And on the 1 hour chart, we have here also a clear thing. We have a down channel, guys, here. I can show you here. This one is here in a parallel channel. From the highest point here, over this point, it's going down to the downside. Like this here and like this here. So attention, guys, attention. We are in this down channel here. And we have to break out of this. Maybe like this one here. You can see we spiked over this downtrend channel here with this candle, but it was not a confirmed breakout. It was only a spike over this channel, and now we are still in this downtrend channel. So we need to break out from this downtrend channel to see a wave number 3. That's very important. It's also possible to see a wave number 2 like this here, that it's going down here more a little bit. It's also possible, guys. We have one thing to watch. This is ADA versus Bitcoin. What's going on with ADA versus Bitcoin? And this is, in my opinion, always a really, really important thing to watch. And you can see we are in a big uptrend. In a big uptrend, ADA versus Bitcoin. We are still in this uptrend. Everything is fine. We are under the middle line. That's not so good, okay? But we are still in this uptrend. And as long as we are in this uptrend, everything is fine, guys. As long as we are in this channel, everything is fine. This is the 1 hour chart, and you see the RSI is not overbought against Bitcoin. It was a little bit overbought here, or not really, it spiked here, but okay, everything is fine here for ADA versus Bitcoin. So guys, what targets should we have with ADA versus US dollar or USDT? What is the biggest thing to watch, in my opinion? I can show you this here very quick. We have to break for the first. This point here, this is very important, $1.23. Why? This is the 50% Fibonacci, you can see it here. We have to break out from this downtrend channel. Yes, we have to break $1.23. That's the first big thing here. The next big thing is we need to break up over the 61.8 Fibonacci at $1.29 or $1.30. That's very important also. And this is the biggest thing now to the upside. It's the golden pocket Fibonacci 78.6. It's at $1.37.38. We need to break this also to go up to the moon here. To the downside, we have also to pay attention of this one here. This is our 23.6. This is $1.10. This is our support to the downside. And we also have another support to the downside, but it's very deep now. And this is for the first, the middle line. Depends always where we will hit the middle line. Maybe on this point here, it's not impossible, $1. And to the downside, 898 here. This is the deepest point here at 0.00 Fibonacci line. Guys, that are the pictures, that are the things we have to watch, in my opinion, here for ADA. And yes, that's it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And also very important, guys, this is my live stream, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week on Twitch and on YouTube. It's named Bitcoin Trading Informant. It's a full HD live stream. And you see here all buy and sell signals for Bitcoin here on the upper left side for Ethereum. 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 50-minute chart. Special greetings to my new boss on the channel. It's old school #1. And guys, thank you for watching. I wish you make millions out there. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. Greetings, and I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye bye, yours, BT.